Welcome back to Atkinson Flowers Law. I am Nadine Atkinson Flowers. We're talking today about traveling for the Thanksgiving season. Even US citizens who are newly naturalized might get anxious as the holiday season approaches. Thanksgiving is coming up, and behind that, we'll have other holidays in December, such as Christmas. Three very important things to note. One, as a US citizen, you will usually travel with your US passport. It's very important to make sure that if you are going to a new destination, you check in with the US consulate, US embassy in that country, especially since if there is a disaster or you meet in an emergency situation, you will be able to get their assistance. Importantly, too, as a US citizen, if you do venture abroad, let's say, for example, you go back to your country of birth, there is no time frame within which you have to return to the US because you're a citizen of the United States, and as such, you can stay out as long as you want. But you're also a citizen of your home country in most instances, and so you can stay there as long as you want as well, as long as you have your documentation to prove that you are indeed a citizen of both countries. The second thing, persons who are not US citizens. So, for example, if you are a green card holder and you're planning to travel for the holidays, make sure you have your green card with you, or you have very clear and specific authorization for travel purposes, because you would not want a situation that when you come back to the United States and you come to one of the airports, they deny you entrance to the country. So you need to make sure, as a non-US citizen, such as a green card holder, you have got your valid travel authorization document with you. And thirdly, for persons who may have lost those valid authorization travel documents, you need to ensure that you get some kind of documentation before you leave the country, because it will be very difficult to come back in on the conclusion of your travel overseas. Happy holidays, and make sure that you have all of your documentation that you need to do your necessary travel and to return to the United States. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and if you found this information useful, you can let us know about other topics you would like us to talk about.